a trade yet. Let's give this thing a chance to pull back here, if it does or if it will. Only way to catch that was just to jump in on that one pullback. That's it. Man, that's all we're going to get, just a pullback into that Flag Magic. I'm going to get long here. We get a 5-minute close over that and give me a pullback into that. Should get some kind of pullback here, but man, it's good to see the bulls all excited this morning to buy things finally.
Order filled.
I'm not waiting anymore. We're over all the numbers I'm looking for. I got to at least get me a starter on. And if we pull back, size down, further out of the money, if it pulls back, then I can get full size on the one I really want. But I got something going on. Come on now. I want to be greedy. I don't want to be too greedy. I'm going to take some profits, pay myself. I can get an add, a pullback. I got some really good gains on here. So we get through 22. I think 30 that 33 OIM, and then 50. Those are all really reasonable targets. I didn't see anything else.
Order filled.
I'm just paying myself coming up here on the end of this 15. It could open, rip faces off. So I don't want to be all out, but I want to pay myself in case it pulls back, man. I can really capitalize on these gains and then add, right? And I could get, now I got some fat gains on. I could add a couple of strikes. I got a lot more options. Nice first trade. And I got another profit stop in place. No matter what, this morning trade is a win, right? I'm not letting anything go against me. None, zero. All right, it's going to be a big fat win no matter what. Come on now, pull back. Don't you dare run without me.
Order filled.
Apparently I got a pullback entry. That shit was sitting down at 32. Huh. Nice, man. So 40.33 is coming up.
Order filled.
Paid myself there. All right, profit stops in place in case we pull back. I'm going to look for another strike to get in. I'm going to go ahead and take everything off if we pull back. I think I got 2 profit stops out. So if we pull back enough, it'll take everything off. I'll be looking for another strike. But I've already got a nice green day on. I really don't even have to do anything else. I'm in a really good spot. I got a couple of strikes going here with profit stops in place. See if we can't get that rip now. We got the new hour. We're 15 minutes in. We got a new 15-minute. We've set a new high. I don't see why we can't get a nice hourly rip. A nice 15 minutes here. Good solid 15-minute rip here. That might get us up to 50. So I got 3 strikes on now. I've paid myself well on 2 of them. And I like to leave leftovers, So like right now I've got 3 strikes on. And if I start peeling these off and I leave a couple on all 3 strikes, then I still have 6 contracts on with profit stops in place, right? So as long as it doesn't pull back, this thing just keeps paying me and keeps paying me and keeps paying me. And then I'll sell some of these and put profit stops in place, and I'll add another strike, and then I'll add another strike, and then I'll add another strike. I've had as many as 14 contracts left over, 7 different strikes with 2 contracts each. I have 14 contracts left over and watch this thing move all day long. I've had that before. It's been a while on the bull side. I've had it on the downside. Someone's going to take a little profits at 40.40 and start hitting my profit stops. We start breaking 38 and it'll start hitting some profit stops. And hopefully, if we don't pull back too much, it won't hit too much. And this is just how I like to do it. I don't like to put on that kind of risk and just leave it on there and hope like that it works. So I'll put in profit stops. If we pull back too much, it'll take out a bunch. If we don't pull back too much and it keeps going, then I'll be in it,